Yo mga koy, so we're going to ASUS event. Launch ng nila, ExpertBook Ultra, yung laptop nila. So papunta tayo ng Okada and we were invited para mag-cover nung event. So tingnan natin kung ano meron doon. Let's go! Kailangan mong kumpletuhin kasi dyan mo matitest yung features nung ExpertBook Ultra. Nandyan yung series showcase, open portfolio, design story. Then meron tayo ditong Zone A which is ExpertBook Ultra Experience Zone. Zone B which is ExpertBook Ultra Durability Zone. So subukan natin mamaya yung the 120cm drop test, IO port test with 8 kg kettlebell. Then panel pressure test with body weight, display panel pressure test with pen, split resistant keyboard test, USB-C port with power bank charge, ASUS ExpertBook Reliability Photo Boot. Yan, kumpletuhin natin yan. So pagka nakompleto natin yan, meron tayong chance manalo ng mga raffle items nila dito mga quiz. So yun, puntahan natin lahat mamaya yan. But for the meantime, kakain lang muna kami. Yan, for the meantime, kain muna tayo. Ayan o. Yung mga ano ba yan? Baby potato na hinati sa dalawa. Ibang variety ng food. So tara. Yon mga koy, so tapos na tayong kumain. Yan, i-ano natin itong mga nandito, gagawin natin yung activity. Yan, so tara. Ayan yung mga sa launch. Tignan nyo. Yan, dan mamaya i-announce yung ExpertBook Ultra, yung price and availability. So tignan natin. Punta muna tayo dun sa, ayan, A1. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dun. Yo mga koy, so dito tayo ngayon sa Gate A1 or yung first stage nung exploration natin sa ExpertBook series, no? So ngayon, we have the ExpertBook P3. So ayan, 16 inches siya na laptop. Ayan, as you can see, ito siya. And by the way, yung ExpertBook series ni ASUS is apat na klase siya. So we have the ExpertBook P1 which is titinan natin mamaya. Then ito, yung P3 which is ito nga. Then we have the ExpertBook B. Makikita natin mamaya ulit. Tapos yung kaka-launch lang na ExpertBook Ultra, no? So check natin isa-isa yung mga yan. So we have the P3, ito. Ayan, specs niya is Core Ultra 7 processor. Display is 16 inches. Ito, laki, di ba? Ayan, may numpad. Makikita mo na yung screen size or madedetermine mo na agad yung screen size kung may numpad or wala. Normally, pagka may malaki talaga siya, no? 17 inches or 16 inches, sorry, dito. Then we have the memory up to 96 gigabytes DDR5. So hindi nakalagay dito kung ilan yung memory nito, no? Then we have the storage which is dual SSD and lightweight is 1.78 kilograms up to 21 hours battery life. So ayan, no? Ito siya. Ganda, di ba? Tapos ito pala, meron pa pala siya. Meron pa palang P5. Akala ko hanggang P3 lang, no? Yan, meron pala P5. Ito. Yan, mas maganda yung screen niya. So, ang specs nito is Core Ultra 7. Ang processor nito is either Intel Core Ultra 7 or AMD AI Ryzen 9 HX processor. Then we have the GPU, AMD Radeon. Yan, or Intel graphics, no? Depende dun sa processor na pipiliin nyo. Tapos, 14-inch OLED. Yan, napakaganda ng kulay. Para siyang para siyang Apple. Ayan, no? Ang ganda ng kulay. It's OLED 1920 by 1200 layer 300 nits. Kaya sobrang linaw mga koys. Ayan, tinan nyo, diba? Ganda. Then we have another P3 ulit. Ayan, mga P3 lahat yan. Kasi to, P1, entry level, mga koys. Core 7 processor or AMD Ryzen 710. Itsura niya. Yan. Dito naman tayo sa ExpertBook B series. Ayan. Ano ba yung kaibahan nito? Ito yung mid-range ng ExpertBook. So, ExpertBook P, ExpertBook B3, tapos yung Ultra. Sabi dito, Ultra 7 processor din, tapos medyo mataas lang yung niya, yung screen resolution niya, tinan nyo. Ayan, 2560 by 1600, 64 gig DDR5, up to 1 terabytes, starting at 1.42 kilograms. So ayan, marami. ExpertBook B5. Ito yung 16 inches version, tapos meron ding 14 inches version mga koys, no? Almost the same specs sila. Ang kaibahan lang is yung screen size. So tayo dito sa pinaka flagship. Ito, expert book din. Yan, mga desktop. Expert Center, P500, SFF. Ito, SFF meaning small form factor, mga koys. Yan, mga business PC naman yung mga yan. So, ang specs nito is Core 7 processor, Series 2, RTX A400 NVIDIA. Tapos yung memory, up to 64 GB. Storage is up to 2 terabytes. Weight is 8.6 L. Ito. Tapos, we have ito, Expert Center P500 mini tower. Ayan, ito yan, desktop. So almost the same nung small form factor. So syempre ito, medyo malaki ng konti. Yun, small talaga, no, literal. Tapos ito yung main event, no, ExpertBook Ultra, mga koys. Ayan, napakagaan. 990 grams daw. Ayan, ito yung kanina na binuhusan ng tubig, dinaganan ng 100 kilograms na weight. Okay pa. Ang specs niya is Core Ultra 5. Ito, processor 325. Ito yung entry level nung ExpertBook Ultra natin. Kasi yung pinakamataas is Ultra XH9, I believe, or Ultra X7 rather. Napakagaan, ang ganda ng kulay. Tapos meron siyang features din, AI Expert Mint. Ayan. Ito yung binibida ni Asus na AI features niya. So syempre, hindi ko alam kung gagana to. Tapos pwede ka maglagay ng webcam watermark or screen watermark. Ano nyo, di ba? Meron. Confidential yung meeting, pwede nyong ilagay na ganyan. That's what business laptops are, no? So napaka-importante niyan, mga koys. Then meron pa iba pang AI features. Yan, expert panel. We have the file search, knowledge hub, AI meeting minutes. So napakadaming features na explore natin pagka meron na tayong review unit. Ayan, yung hinge niya, ganyan. Oh, yan, di ba? Yan nyo. Matibay talaga, mga koys. Next tayo. Dito tayo sa Gate A2. Itong Gate A2 is for Asus Open Platform Portfolio. So, tingnan natin anong meron dito. So, andito yung mga sort of other business solutions ni Asus, mga koys. So ayan, we have the desktop, mga network adapters or routers rather. Tapos ito, computer to, mga koys. Ayan, NUC. So ito yung mga components niya. So mga pang business yan, mga koys. Tapos ito, ayan, NUC 15 Pro Plus. So ultra power embrace intelligence. Asus NUC for healthcare. Ayan, MRI. Ayan, no? Parang nag-check ng mga kung ano sa katawan mo. Then we have the education space expert center PN5 or PN55. Ayan, okay. Ayan lang. Yan lang yung computer mo. Ito yung PN55 Expert Center. Ito is Wi-Fi, Zen Wi-Fi BD4. Then ito, we have the Asus RT BE50 powered by Wi-Fi 7. Yan, mga router ulit. And another NUC 15 Pro ulit. AI-driven future. Yan natin yung specs. Core 5 supports up to 96 GB DDR5. Ayan, napaka-compact na computer. Goods na yan. Di ko alam kung pwede yan pang work from home, pero tingin ko pwede. Then, we have mga server, super computing platform. Ayan. Kung familiar kayo sa mga ganitong PC, ito yung mga server na ginagamit pang on-premise na mga server. Kung ayaw nyo mag-cloud. Yan. We have the XANR1 A12L. Graphics is NVIDIA HGX Rubin NVL8 Intel Xeon processor. Normal naman yun sa mga ganitong computer, no? Intel Xeon talaga siya pang mga server. Tapos ito, pagkakaalala ko, dyan mo ilalagay yung mga hard drive. Yan, mga storage. Yan, lahat yan. Mga networking and storage server. Ayan, stamp muna tayo. So, okay na. We're done with the A2. Next tayo sa A3. So, ano ba yung A3? Asus ExpertBook Ultra Design Story. So ayan, ito yung pinakita kanina sa launching. Pinares nila sa design ng airplane, yung ExpertBook Ultra. Ayan, pakita mo dito. Ayan. Ayan, lahat yan. So ayan, ito siya. The detailed design refinement. Ito, parang airplane daw yan, mga koys. Pati yung material, military grade. Ayan. So ito, pwede nating hawakan. Ayan. Ay. Sorry pala. So wala tayong lapis. Ito, marami nang nagsulat dito. Ayan, buhay pa rin. Ayan, no? Mga scratches niya. Oh, buhay pa rin siya. May mga nagsusulat dito kanina eh. Wala tayong pansulat kaya din natin masusubukan. Then, ayan, nano ceramic technology daw. We have the scratch resistant. Ayan, ExpertBook Ultra. Ito daw. Standard is ito. Stain resistant and abrasion resistant. So, ito yung mga metal na ginamit sa kanya. Nano ceramic technology. Okay na tayo dito. So, pero tayo magpatatak. We're done with the Gate A3, mga koys. Okay, wala yung in charge ngayon sa A3. So, skip natin. Para tayo dito sa A4. So, uncompromising visual and performance. Yan, pinag-compare nila. Yan, may MacBook Air, Lenovo, tapos may... Anong laptop to, ma'am? Sorry. Anong laptop po ito? Ito ba yung ExpertBook?
Ito po yung expert.
Ay, okay.
Ultra B9.
Ayan, yan. Okay. Ay,
Then, yung screen niya is a tandem OLED. So, matte OLED po siya. Matte OLED screen. So, 3 layers po siya. Meaning of, pagka tinapatan mo siya ng lights, may reflection siya, hindi siya masyado masakit sa eyes.
okay.
Kitang-kita.
Unlike
to the
dito.
other brand po, kitang-kita. Then, pagka
Oo nga, no?
ng sunlight,
Oo, wala na. Okay. Ito,
Ayan.
yung ganyan din sa MacBook.
Same.
Ayan. Brand D, Brand H. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Pinag-compare nila yung mga, yung screen technology na ginamit. Okay, let's go sa A5. Battery life, performance. So, sabi dito, 70 watt-hour battery with up to 26 hours of battery life. Ayan, tingnan natin. Tapos, andito yung internals ng, ExpertBook Ultra. Ayan, ayan, laki ng battery, oh. Mukhang dual na pinag-isa. Ayan.
Ito yung comparison ni sir. Kung gusto niyo po i-compare yung Ultra versus Lenovo.
Okay. Ay, ito yung Ultra. Ay,
This is Lenovo po.
ito yung Lenovo. Ito yung Ultra.
Launch that. And the difference po is battery, 70
Watts.
watt-hour. And ito po,
57.
57 watt-hour. Same
Yeah,
po
mas-
silang 14 inches, pero
Mas malakas. Mas
and then, good thing with the ExpertBook po, dalawa yung panel. Ay, the exhaust. I mean, yung exhaust na panel.
Oo nga.
With Lenovo, liit.
Maliit lang.
And it helps to support the 50 watts
Temperature.
CPU TDP. Ito sir is 20 lang.
Okay. Ganda.
And then sir, if ever sir gusto hawakan sir, mas magaan siguro pa. This is less than 1 kilo.
Oh, yes. Ito, mabigat.
If ever sir,
Yeah, ito yung Lenovo. Ayan. Yeah. Mas magaan talaga to si ExpertBook Ultra compared dito sa brand L. Let's go sa Gate A6. Intuitive haptic touchpad and 1.5mm key travel keyboard. So, tingnan natin. Ayan. Brand H. Brand H to. Wala yung sa ExpertBook nasa kabila. Ayan, may dumating na makikita natin. Use Asus ExpertBook Ultra. You don't need the external mouse anymore. Haptic touchpad. So you can see, napaka-responsive. Unlike dito, kay Brand H, ito yung niya. Almost the same sila na haptic, pero mas masarap lang haplusin tong Asus para sa akin. Ito H din. Ito, hindi na okay. Ayan. Okay ba sila? Okay na po kami doon sa kabila. Nag-test na kami. Ayan.
Keyboard siya. Keyboard yun.
Ay, keyboard yun din. Dito.
Highlight naman sir yung haptic touchpad.
Okay.
So you try sir, the feel and how it works. Yan. Sige sir. Try hitting the target. Yan.
Okay.
Ito yung sir, yung ibang brand.
Oo nga, napaka-responsive nga. Ayan.
Very sir, ultra soft.
Ultra soft nga.
Sugar touch. At saka responsive detection. Ito kasi
ito
sir,
ang bagal.
hindi, meron kasing dead spot na areas na unclickable siya.
Oo.
Ito naman, may sensor kasi siya sir, kahit sa edges, you can click.
And kung mapapansin niya siya, sir, pag drill siya dito, hindi siya mahirap.
Oo,
Doon
unlike
pa lang,
dito.
sir, na pa natin na you don't need the mouse para gamitin siya.
Yes.
And,
Oo.
touchscreen na rin siya.
Touchscreen, yes.
Ayaw pa
Ganda.
na media mo, no?
Yes po. Yes po. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, tinan niyo yung score ko. Average time per target dito sa ExpertBook Ultra is 3875 milliseconds. Dito kay Brand L, 6557. So, ganda. Thank you. A7, yun, dito. Let's go sa A7. Ayan, nakaka-anim na tayo. A7. Tingnan natin. So, dito tayo sa A7 boot, speakers, audio system, and noise cancellation experience. So, dito, merong ibang brand. And brand M. Alam nyo na yan. Then, we have the brand H. Then, ito, ExpertBook Ultra. Ayun, so, sorry mga kuys, hindi tayo pinayagan mag-video sa loob. Pero, maganda yung speaker ni ExpertBook Ultra. Kinumpare dun sa MacBook, tapos dun sa HP. So, sa ExpertBook Ultra yung pinakamalakas na speaker, tapos malinaw. Sorry, hindi namin makapakita. But, I think you can check soon or later. So, tara, next boot tayo. Boot number A8. So, ito yung A8. AI for Business. Asus My Expert. So, ito talaga yung pinunta natin dito mga kuy, since we're into AI. Titignan natin kung ano yung kaya niyang gawin. Ayan, di-demo ni sir. Yung My Expert. Lapit tayo.
And this can serve as almost like your digital business card, right? And this is very highly customizable, guys. So, pwede nyo customize yung how you present it, even upload an image, let's say a QR code of your business, your website, even a one-by-one picture of you. But we have also a screen watermark. So this really shines because you're a lot more secured and assured that that information is going to be protected if you present it with this watermark that is also very highly customizable. So you can also just type in the company name or the name of the presenter itself, as well as the transparency. So AI Expert Meet is built to make your work a lot more smoother, but also ensure users that your data is under your control. Thank you.
Yeah.
Dito na lang po si
So that's ASUS My Expert mga kuys. So soon, titestingin natin yan pagka nakiraman tayo ng unit. Yan ang mga dun, Ayan.
If you have any questions po, sir, feel free. So,
Hindi niyo po ba madedemo yung pinaka may expert na na app or
well, itong ASUS My Expert po kasi siya yung AI po, right, na with the 4 tools including this one. So we have
Yeah.
the chat nga po, the knowledge hub, and the file search. Those are all ingrained into the system itself na po kasi. For example, yung knowledge hub po, that is your internal knowledge space kasi so you upload your documents, notes,
Yep.
references, and then the AI itself will assist you in organizing that, structuring it, and help you locate what you need when you need it with our search. Now, what's different about this file search actually is that it doesn't have to look for the exact file names anymore. So instead of remembering exact file names, you can actually just use natural language. Explain or how you remember the document, you just search it, and then the document will locate it as quickly or as accurately as it can with the documents that you've provided.
okay.
Also,
Nice.
this AI is locally on the device na itself, so you can use these features without even connecting to the ender.
Okay.
And that
Nice.
ensures to our users that your sensitive information is not stored to or uploaded to any cloud-based AI services.
It's fully offline. Okay, nice. So, susubukan natin yung ASUS My Expert na app. So, wait kayo dun sa review natin mga kuys. Next tayo sa A9. Tara, dito tayo. Perfect in every aspect. So, wala kasing details. Tingnan na lang natin. As you can see, yung internals, pinapakita ulit. And pinagko-compare sa ibang brand. Hello, can you tell me or tell us what's the component of the Ultra?
Basically, sir, for this boot, we have a claim, bold claim, actually. We have a claim that our unit, this ExpertBook Ultra, is the flagship of the industry.
Yeah.
Not only at ASUS, but everything. So right here on this boot, we have all our competitors.
Wow, yes.
From
Yan
may kulay pula, yung ano po.
Basta yun.
Yeah, so basically, all of this is same chassis, 14
Yes.
inch.
Mm.
But for us, we have bigger battery,
Yes.
smaller battery. 70 watts, 57 watts.
Yes.
Almost 50% of the laptop. Bigger fans, smaller fans. We have 3 heat pipes, only one.
One, yes.
So that leads to less heat dissipation. So less heat dissipation, it can only accommodate like 20 watts of TDP. While for the Ultra, we can go up to 50 wattage, 50 watts of TDP. So meaning more power.
More power, yes.
Yes. For this one, we have expert cool technology. So all the air, it will get sucked up.
Yep.
And then we also have ventilation here, wherein the airflow will also come towards the SD, and then again to the heat pipes, and then it will be released. Then, as you experience the last boot over there,
Yeah.
so you experience firsthand the speakers.
Yes.
So why we have
Dual.
better speakers, bigger speakers,
Bigger.
actually,
Yes.
two subwoofer and 2 tweeters.
Wow.
So if you compare it to the others, they have small speakers. And then for the I/O ports, we have a metal brackets. While for the others, only
USB.
naked,
Yes. Wow.
naked ports. So for example, on a daily basis, on a daily office basis, hindi natin maiwasan na mahila yung USB.
Yes.
And if nahila yung USB port,
Sira.
there are high chances na mag-crack yung motherboard.
Yep.
If the board is cracked, basically that's half the laptop.
Yes,
You
yes.
need to pay the half of the price of the laptop.
Yes.
So for this one, little things. But for this one, we also have this on our entry level. So not only on the flagship,
Yep.
also on the entry level.
Oh, wow.
And then lastly, we have intrusion detection. Intrusion detection meaning we have our chassis. Normally, inside the house, in home, everyone has screwdriver.
Yes.
Lahat ng tao may screwdriver.
Yes.
And madali lang magtanggal ng screw. Pero not everyone is knowledgeable enough what's inside of the laptop.
Yeah.
What are the do's and don'ts. Normally, technician, tinatanggal nila yung
Yan, mga flex, mga
yung
ano.
mga flex cable ng battery. But for this one, this also acts as a kill switch.
Nice.
So if you open the laptop, even if the laptop is open, it will kill all the power to avoid shorting circuit
Short circuit.
or having a spark. So if the spark that's it.
Yes.
So basically that's it.
Ang galing. Nice.
Also, this intrusion detection can also lag when the chassis is open. So for example, you deployed this into a employee, then a few months later it gets turnover.
Yes.
So you don't have any basis that the unit is open because opening a screw is so easy.
Yes.
But for this one, for the IT that will be managing the laptops, they can actually see when is the
it's
laptop
open.
gets open.
Ah, wow,
So they
okay.
can question the employee.
Oh,
Bakit
yes.
mo binuksan to ng June 21? Di ba?
Yes.
So for that, it's easier to cross-check. So basically, that's it.
Wow.
For this.
Yeah, nice. Ganda. Ayan. Thank you, sir. Anong name niyo, sir?
Jake.
There's Sir Jake for explaining what's perfect in every aspect. Napakaganda. Ayan, check nyo ulit. So, nakakatuwa, no? Ayan, dalawang fan, malaki. Mas malaking battery. Tapos ito, may kill switch. Natanggal yung screw dito. Ayan, to prevent short circuit, no, sa buong laptop. Tapos na tayo dito sa Zone A. So next natin is syempre Zone B. So 8 boots lang yung Zone B. So tara, napin natin yung B1. Hinge test with A part lifting. Tingnan natin. So ayan, susubukan natin yung hinge testing. Ayan, subukan natin. Oy, wow, okay. Pwede i-ganon-ganon, okay lang. Ayan, pakatibay nung ano niya, yung hinge niya, mga koys. Pero itaas. Ayan, taas ko daw. Ang ganda. Napakatibay. Galing. Next tayo, B2. So, the 120 cm drop test. Napakagandang feature, no? To ensure exceptional durability, our drop test meticulously simulates real-world scenarios like accidental falls from desks, bags, or during transport. So, ayun. Tingnan natin kung after the drop test is okay pa. Ayan, sir, pasubok naman kami ng drop test. As you can see, working siya. Ayan. Working yung expert book natin. So, close na natin. Ayan, 120. So, ayan, 1, 2, 3. Tingnan natin kung gumagana pa. Ayan. As you can see, working pa. Durability test or drop test passed, mga koys. So, yun. Patibay. Next tayo sa B3. So, IO port test with 8 kg kettlebell. Eto, tingnan natin. Okay, tingnan natin kung durable nga. Gano'ng kataas?
Kahit kung saan niyo po kaya, sir.
Grabe. Grabe. Ayan, totoong ano yan, kettlebell yan na 8 kilograms, mga koys. Ayan nyo. Baka sabihin nyo, peke eh. Pwede isa pa? Okay lang?
Sure, sir.
Ay, isa pa. Uy.
Be careful
Ayan.
lang po sa ano.
Mabagsak ko. Pero, antibay. Grabe. Ano yung port na to, sir? Yung LAN. Okay.
Yes po, pero
Sobrang makapit. RJ45.
pero all IO ports can withstand up to 9 kilograms of force. So for example, kung bigla niyong nahatak ng malakas, it can withstand that kasi po lahat po ng ports natin is reinforced with metal plates and screws.
Grabe. Wala akong masabi. So, next tayo. Panel pressure test with body weight. Ito. Subukan natin. So dito sa B4, pwede mong daganan yung laptop. Tingnan natin kung gagana pa, no? Medyo mabigat tayo eh. Yan, tanggalin natin yung shoes natin. Okay, dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, dyan yung laptop ko. So sorry sa pa ako, mga koys. Ayan.
Screen naman.
Sige, tingnan natin. Ayan. Ayan, napakan ko yung screen ng laptop. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. By the way, I'm 78 kilos. Check natin. Working pa. Magana pa. Parang wala nangyari. Ayan o. Touchscreen. Grabe. I'm 78 kilos and nakaya niya. Ang galing. Thank you po. Ang B5 natin is display panel pressure test with pen. Ayan, ito. Ayan, merong naipit na ball pen dun sa laptop. Ayan. Ayan natin. Paano gagawin, ma'am? Iipit lang nyo.
Yes. Pressure lang, sir.
Pressure.
Pressure hard.
Okay. Ayan, tingnan natin. So, lalakasan daw natin yung ano. So, 1, 2. So, 1, 2. Grabe. Uy. Ayan. Walang kagalos-galos. Ganun pa rin.
No crack at all, sir.
No crack at all, mga
Very
boys.
durable.
Ayan, oh. Buhay pa. Ayan, kahit naipit yung ballpen nyo, hindi masasira yung computer, laptop, paganda. Napakatibay. So, next, B6. So, spill resistant naman tayo. Ayan, dito. Tingnan natin. Excuse po. Pwede po subukan? Yes. Ayan, spill resistant. Normally, ito yung naging aksidente ng mga laptop natin. Aksidente natin natatapunan. So, tingnan natin. Ito, bubukasan natin. Expert book. Keyboard. Ayan. Ayun. Ayun.
So wipe lang po natin.
Sige. Wipe.
Then after the check po natin if gumagana.
Ayan. Ayun. Parang wala nangyari. Okay pa rin siya, mga quiz. Kahit yung screen, wala nangyari. Kasi yung ano ko, yung MacBook Pro ko na M4, natapunan ng juice. Sira yung screen, pero napakas naman. Pero ito, wala nangyari, mga quiz. Oh. Buhay pa. Galing. Very, very durable. B7. So, USB-C port with power bank charge. So, yan.
Hi po,
Ano-
welcome to Gate B7 po.
Ano po yung-
USB-C port with power bank charge.
Mhm. Ano po yung gagawin natin?
I want to show you something really cool about the USB Type-C port. Our keyword is two full functions USB Type-C port. As you can see here po, meron siyang dalawang USB Type-C ports. And then, this one, not just charging your laptop, it can also connect to external screens. And then a good thing about this one, especially if you're the type of people who's always on the go, you can charge your laptop by just using your power bank. Sometimes kasi diba, there's no nearby outlets. But for this laptop po, you can just charge using your power bank. Good thing about this, any type of power bank,
Pwede.
maganda yung wide range of power, 5 volts to 20 volts.
Talaga?
po siya.
Ah,
So,
nice.
once yun naman po siya, makita kayo notification na plug-in, and then yung status na nag-charge siya. But for
yun.
now, sir, lobat na kasi ito.
Oo.
So, ganit, kung meron kayong power bank, you can check if it's working.
Subukan natin. Meron kaming power bank dito eh.
Show you po na
Ayan, ito.
nag-work siya sa any type of power bank.
Subukan natin kung working.
Here or here, it's the same.
Ayun, slow charger. Siyempre, mababa lang to eh. Pero at least pwede.
For emergency purposes na medyo mag-reply sa important client, you can use your laptop using your power bank. So, no need to look for any outlet. You can just go to
Kahit low watts yung power bank niya or kahit sa pipa yung power bank, nakapag-charge dito, no? So yung huli, B8 is Expert Book Reliability Photo Boot. Okay, let's go down to the last. And mga quiz, so that's it sa Expert Book Ultra launch, no? Napakagandang laptop, napakatibay and napakabilis performance-wise, napaka-okay, durability-wise, sobrang okay mga quiz. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung event na to, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.